Yeah, it's interesting because so identity, has really become it's everything that we do. So the idea, the all living systems, the only organizing principle of any living system is identity. It's like there's no living system that organizes around anything other than identity. So identity is the most critical part of any living system because being informs doing, right? So if the identity is correct or authentic or the original, then the living system from a cell to a civilization is an open system. It's reciprocal. It can shift paradigms. It's interconnected to everything around it in its true, authentic identity, like a cell, for example. But when the cell is corrupted and the identity is corrupted, the cell becomes a closed system and it becomes parasitic. It starts to devour things around it. It becomes cancer. And so it's still a cell, but it's a wrong identity of what the original blueprint is. So in a human being, it's like it's your original design. It's the truest thing about you. It's timeless and it's grounded and affirmed. And this is really important in love. It's grounded and affirmed in love, and it moves according to love in its truest sense. And so when I'm talking to a person, what I want to talk to is the true them and not the false or the invented, we can say corrupted version of them that they've developed through trauma. Really, what we want to talk to the authentic human being that was there as a child. What was that identity? It's the truest thing about you. False identity or ego or shadow identity or imposter identity is the true identity that's been traumatized, and coping mechanisms are developed to protect it, which are not bad, but then they cover up, they disguise the true identity. And so that's why it's important to when you're interacting or when you're thinking about something, that you're doing it from the truest part of who you are, because that part of you is other focused and it's creative and it's prefrontal cortex. The false identity is self-protective and self-promotional, and it's amygdala, it's fear-based. And it's because we've learned in life, man, you got to protect yourself. You got to take care of yourself because nobody else is going to do it. So you turn inward and you become a closed system, and you don't know how to cooperate or reciprocate, especially if you perceive a threat. And that's why we never have peace. So we don't have peace internally, and we never have peace externally. I mean,